Anyway, it's been raining like crazy. We've been waiting for flash floods. This is where it got really fun. I actually sent the drone up, not just to film, I actually used it as a camera so I could see what I was doing from above since I was by myself. I wanted to get to where that red box is at. The drone actually somehow corrupted some of the footage. Needless to say, I finally made it into that spot 20 minutes later. Man, sunrise on the edge of a 1,000-foot cliff, Little Grand Canyon. Got the trailer all set up right there. Check this out. Check this out. Sorry, it's early. This is awesome. Got up here to clean the solar panels. Make sure I'm getting all the sun I can. This is a pretty epic camp spot right here. I'm surprised I'm the only one up here right now. Figured there would be more people. Maybe they'll show up later today and tonight. And it's sprinkling on me. You can see the rain coming over there. Supposed to have some thunderstorms today. Trying to get breakfast cooked before it rains. Oh snap. The rain stopped. We're gonna go and explore in the Jeep a little bit. Go see what there is to see. Man, I don't think you can get a better camping spot than this anywhere. Went and did some exploring in the Jeep. It's awesome. Got a little rain. Did you have fun?
Yes, very much so.
There you go. That's all we need to know. There's people that are showing up. We don't like them. We want them to go away. But Beck won't let me run around naked outside. Well, our exploring in the Jeep went well. There's going to be some thunderstorms. We can already hear the thunder coming. So it's moving this way. Looks like we're going to be hanging out in the trailer, listening to thunderstorms, watching some movies, just hanging out. Flash flood warning, all kinds of stuff going on right now. Gotta batten down the hatches. Ooh, big raindrops coming. Better make sure all the windows are up on everything. Can see the rain coming through the canyon. Oh crap, it's coming down! It's coming down! Oh, it's blowing dirt everywhere in my eyes. I can't see. Close the windows. Man, that thing came on like a freight train. Yeah. Be awesome to see some flash floods come ripping off the canyons over there. Oh my gosh. It is pouring. It's finally starting to slow down. I'm gonna try and get some footage. The canyon across from us has huge waterfalls now, and there's lots of little ones starting up too. This is so cool. It's starting to clear up a little bit now. It was about 30 minutes of good hard rain, and that waterfall started up. Oh my gosh. The rain stopped, the clouds started to clear up, and it was time to go find some mud puddles and have a little fun in the Jeep. Be time to go. Not really ready. This spot is just so epic. I could stay here for a long time. This is just gorgeous. The weather's been great except for the rain, and that was even neat. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, see you next time.